Class 10 Chemistry Subject Related Art Integrated Project. Chemical Reactions and Equations. Chemical Reaction. A chemical reaction is a process in which the original substance loses its nature and identity and form new substance with different properties. Reactants. The substances which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants. Products. The new substances produced as a result of chemical reactions are called products. Some examples of chemical reaction: digestion of food, respiration, rusting of iron, burning of magnesium ribbon, formation of curd, etc. A chemical reaction can be identified by change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature, formation of a precipitate. A chemical equation is written in the following way. The symbols of elements and the formulae of reacting substances or reactants are written on the left-hand side of the equation with a plus sign between them. The symbols and formulae of the substance formed or products are written on the right-hand side of the equation with a plus sign between them. An arrow sign is put between the reactants and the products. Physical states of the reactants and products are also mentioned in a chemical equation. Balanced equation. The equation in which atoms of various elements on both sides of a chemical equation are equal in accordance with the law of conservation of mass. The process of equalizing the atoms of various elements both on either sides of an equation is called the balancing of the chemical equation. This is known as hit and trial method. How we can balance a chemical equation? Step 1. Write the chemical equation and draw boxes around each formula. Here, the equation is H2 plus O2 gives H2O. It's an unbalanced equation. We have to balance it. Step 2. Count the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the arrow. Step 3. Equalize the number of atoms of elements which has the maximum number of atoms. Step 4. Try to equalize all the atoms of elements on reactant and product side by adding coefficient in front of it. Now, all the atoms of elements are equal on both sides. And it's the balanced equation.